with the thunder, baby, might just clap your crew.
What's up, buddy? Welcome back to another video from Balls to the Wall Trading. I hope you guys had a nice Memorial Day weekend. I hope you guys got to spend it with your family and had a blast. This video is going to be a little bit different from the norm. For those of you that watch my videos, most of my videos, if not all of them, are about watch lists, about my day trading watch list and swing trading watch list. But this video is going to be a little bit different, and I'll explain in a little bit. For those new viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Balls to the Wall Trading, a channel I created in order to encourage people to learn how to trade. And this is basically a channel for me to show you what I know and simplify trading, and hopefully get you to see that it is not that difficult. So if this is something that you are interested in and you like how I do things, please do me a favor and subscribe and like. I enjoy all the support and all the new subscribers that I get. I also have a free chat room through the Discord app. I'll leave the link in the description of this video. Like I said, I always, or I try to every night make a watch list video, but this is going to be a little bit different. This video is going to be about the best investment / trade in my trading career, which I've been trading for 5 years, and today was the best day that I had. So I wanted to break that down for you guys, so you guys can see the upside to trading and what can happen, and I just wanted to share that with you guys, so you guys know basically that this trading stuff is real and you can make money. Obviously there's risk in every trade, and I discuss that in all my videos, and I'll go into that a little bit further in a bit. I'm not a financial advisor nor a financial planner, so anything that I discuss here is just my personal opinion. So for those of you guys that watch my videos, you guys know that I have been watching this stock for a while, not the one that you see on the screen, but a certain stock for a while, and just waiting for it to do something. It's been moving up and down, no real big thing, and then today it went crazy. And for those of you guys that again watch my videos and that are in the chat room, you guys know what I'm talking about, or what stock I'm talking about. I am talking about VKTX. And this stock went absolutely bananas today. It went up $5, which is a little bit more than 100%. So what we're looking at here, we're looking at a 5-minute chart. So each candle represents 5 minutes. So what I did for this stock when I bought it, I guess let me take you back and break that down. I bought this stock as a swing trade back in April 27th, I want to say. And while this is loading, we'll just wait. Yeah, I bought it a while ago. I bought it about a month ago. And for those of you that don't know, swing trading is something, the mentality of swing trading, or the theory, is something that you buy now and you wait, days, weeks, months, until the stock does what you want it to do and you walk out with a profit, or it doesn't do what you want it to do and then you take a small loss. So I bought this stock right here. That was on, let me see, hold on, continue. That was on 4/27, which you can see the day right here, and I bought it at around $4.06. So the theory is that it's bounced off support right here, so it's gonna bounce again right here. So I bought it right here, and it just kind of moved up, down, up, down, up, down. Once it reached up here, it just kind of consolidated, and then today it just made this crazy move. So over here was ultimately what I wanted the stock to reach, which was $7.39, which was the highest it's ever been as far as a 6-month or a yearly chart. But when I woke up this morning and I checked the stock, I think at around 8 in the morning, it was already at $7. So when I left it last night, it was at just under $5, and I woke up and I checked it and it was at $7. So I was like, holy crap, like something's going on here. So I started doing my research and everything that's, that I know about this stock, and I'm not gonna bore you with the details, but basically what happened was that this company's competitor has a similar drug to this company, and they had positive data on a clinical study. So because that competitor had positive data, that positively impacted this company that I'm currently in, because it's more or less the same drug. So that's what made it shoot up through the roof. So once I saw that it was moving in the pre-market, I wanted to see a better picture. So I went to a 5-minute candle chart, and this is a movement that it was making right here in the pre-market. So you can see yesterday it closed at around $5 or somewhere around there, and then it just started moving up and up and up and up and up. So let me zoom in a little bit here. So when the market opened, it dipped down and then it just started ripping. Ripping. By here I was like, oh shit, like, I mean, I'm already up like 100% because I bought it at $4. We're close to $9. Like, the hell's going on here? Let's keep it going. So it made a high at around $9.36. Then it started selling off. At this point I was like, you know what, like, I know that I have a good company. I don't really want to sell off, but if it goes down more, at some point I'm going to sell to walk away with a pretty good amount of profit. So I saw it come down, it went back up, it came down, it went back up, came down. And by this point, I said to myself, if it bounces back up, this is a clear support right here on a 5-minute candle chart. And sure enough, that's why I drew this line. So I said to myself, if it does break down or break below this support level, I might consider selling. So as you can tell, it just kind of went to that support line, went back up, went to that support line, went back up, went to that support line, and now over here it shot up, and then it broke through the daily high, at $9.36, which was the high of the day at this point. It broke through that, then it broke through another high, and it finished the day at $10.25 mother effing cents. That is huge. So again, I bought this at $4 and it closed the day at it had a high of $10.25. It closed at around $10. So that's why I have this line right here, and as you can see in the post market, it made a new high of $10.50, and then it just kind of traded around there. It came down. It looks like it's bouncing off of the 50 moving average, and hopefully it'll loop back around and either cross $10.50 today or hopefully tomorrow. So I'm still in this stock. I did not sell it. I mean, I would be an idiot to sell it. The only way I'm gonna sell it if it breaks below one of these moving averages, and then I'll just walk out with my profit. But again, the chart looked good. You could have done this as a day trade as well. You could have marked your pre-market high, which would have been around here at $7.20, and as soon as it broke through, you could have rode this for a nice chunk of change. So again, this is a 5-minute daily chart. It looks incredible, but you really get the big picture here on the daily chart. It broke through the previous high and it crushed it. So the reason I wanted to make this video is because I wanted you guys to see that, if you do your homework, if you do your research, if you stick to your plan, if you trust your gut and what you know, it's going to pay off. Now, is every trade or is every investment going to turn out like this, where where it runs 100% in one day? Absolutely not. But every now and then you'll have something like this. Every now and then you'll have a pop, or every now and then it'll have a slow move up, and the next thing you know, you might be up $100, $200, $300, $400, $500, whatever the case may be. And that's because you stuck to your plan, you stuck to your strategy, and it worked out. Like, I cannot begin to tell you how excited I am and how thrilled I am that I bought this stock right here because it met my criteria and everything worked out. And you go online, you read some of these boards and Twitter and all these social media places, and everybody's telling you one thing and another thing, like, oh, don't buy this stock, it's crap, it's not going to do anything, blah 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 blah. You got to stick to your guns and follow your gut and follow your criteria, and at some point it's going to pay off. Again, I tell you guys, my winners and my losers, I've made money, I've lost money. The point of investing is you made more money than you lose. So for me, this was well, in all my investments, I like to set up a high reward, low risk. So if this stock at any point went below this support line, I would have sold and I would have walked away with a small loss. But if it started to churn up, I would have made a good profit, and obviously I'm making a pretty decent profit right now. Okay, let me see if I think I'm up like 120% or something like that. Let me see if I can figure it out. So from 406, let's just take it all the way to 1025, somewhere around there. 152% basically. I'm up 152% on this stock. Ridiculous. So everybody comments, or everybody that doesn't understand the stock market, they're like, oh, that's a scam, you're not going to make any money. Here's the proof. I've been talking about this stock since I bought it, and you guys have been seeing this rise right here, if you've been watching my videos, of course. And then today, it was a perfect storm, and hopefully it can continue tomorrow. Let me see how the 5-minute candle is looking. So it looks like it's like curling back up. It's at $9.92 or 89, somewhere around there. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this. This is a perfect scenario. This is what you study for. This is all the hard work, all the dedication, all the reading, all the videos you watch, all the books you read, all the strategies you learn about is for something like this, for it to pay off. And when it pays off, it's a great feeling. So again, I always tell you guys that you guys can do this. This isn't rocket science. This isn't the hardest thing in the world. As long as you dedicate yourself to it and you learn it and you put in the time and the effort, you can do this, guys. Like, I'm an average Joe, and when I started this, I thought this was the most difficult thing in the world, but you see it in your screen right now. It's doable. So I just want to leave it at that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, thumbs up, like and subscribe, join the chat room. Thank you for the support, and we'll see what happens with this tomorrow.